everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own reports in Aweber. So, you're at the dashboard, just click here, go to reports. There's tracking code. I'll click on that. So I'll tell you about this in a minute, but you do not need to use that. All right. So we're back here. I've clicked on reports. You got all these reports. The only one that you will need to install that tracking code will be sales over time, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So let's start down here. Current list. This will give you the number of opens over time, over like days, weeks, month. Clicks over time. How many new subscribers did you get? How many subscribers do you have total? How many broadcast messages have been sent out? What are location totals? For instance, look here. I'm clicking on location. Remember, this is just a demonstration site or demonstration account. So I don't have a lot of data. I don't have many subscribers, not much data, but obviously this is in the United States and this is in Alaska, which is also part of the United States, as you know. So that's one report. Here's another one. Like I said, if you want to download and print these reports, you can click here to export CSV, and that's CSV stands for comma separated value. And that is the format that Microsoft Excel and other spreadsheet software uses to create spreadsheets. So if you want to download them, you can click here. Otherwise, you can just look at them. A lot of times that's all you need to do. So you can see these, the aqua is the number of opens, the bluish purplish color is the number of clicks. And these are for 3 emails that were sent out on these dates. And if you scroll down, there's some other information and where you can get more information about reports and lists and so on and so on. Here we don't have any data, so this doesn't really show much interesting data here, but you'll have a lot. Once you get 100, 500, 1,000 or more, you'll have some interesting data to look at. This is information for all your lists. How many opens do you have over a certain period of days, weeks, or months for all your lists? How many clicks for all of your lists? If you want to do sales over time, you're going to need to install the tracking code. So how do you do that? What is that? Just go down here, click on tracking. Now, you can Google how to do this, but it's gonna depend on whether you're on Wix, Weebly, HTML site, WordPress site, whatever. The easiest way to do it is you're going to copy this. Now it wants you to copy the tracking code and paste it before the close of the body tag or the closing body tag in your website's HTML. If you don't know how to do that, what you would do is just copy this code. You will just call up the hosting company. It could be HostGator, HostMonster, Web Hosting Hub. It could be GoDaddy. Just call up customer support and tell them what this says right here. You need to paste it before the closing body tag. They will do it for you. It'll just take a couple of minutes, and then you'll go on and do the next step here, right? And you'll put the web address and all that stuff in, and you'll be on your way. But all the rest of these reports, just to repeat, do not need you to have a tracking code on your website because you're just tracking information inside the Aweber application. And that's all you really need to know about reports. It's really easy, it's friendly, it's fun. Just like I've said, click on it and look at it and try to make sense of it. It's very easy to read and interpret. Hope you found that helpful. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.